So yesterday, 7th B is here. Uh, you were not there in my class, but for 7th A, we were there in the class, and I have shared a PDF of assignment in the group. Okay, so I'm showing it to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And 7B along with 7th A can give the answer as well. Okay. 7B modal verbs has been done in your class.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
It's completed, so it will be a revision for all of you, all of us. Okay. So let us solve this. Fill in the blanks with appropriate modal auxiliary verbs. Okay. And 7B also can go to this YouTube link and watch the video.
Which other exercises we have to do in the
Copy all the exercises, the assignment that I am sending. Okay, you don't have to do it here, you have to do it in your notebook. So when you will come to school, I'll check it. Okay, right? So first one, my grandmother is 85 but she ability.
Ma'am,
Correct, can. Okay, then second one is the request. Okay, second one is a request. So Shivang, can you give me the answer for this second one? Dash, I come with you. So please let Shivang answer. Shivang, can you please answer this one? Second one. Which modal verb can we put over here? Ha ha ha. I'm giving you time. Second one. Ha. May. Correct. Correct, Shivang. Okay, so may I come with you? Okay, somebody wants to join in. Okay, very good. So third one. Third one, anyone else can answer. Dash, you help me with the housework, please. It's a polite request. Could. Could. It's a polite request. Could. Correct. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. Okay, so there was a time, fourth one. We are coming to the fourth one. There was a time when I passed ability, when I stay up very late. What it should be?
ma'am, I
Could. Correct. 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 Past ability we have to use could. Okay. Okay, somebody wants to join in. Let me see. Yes. Okay, so next one. You dash not lose any more weight. You are already slim. Necessity.
must.
Ma'am, you.
Necessity.
Must.
You must. Must, correct? Or should? Ha, must is correct because if it is a suggestion, then it should be should. Okay, but it is a necessity, so you must not. Okay. Then next is sixth one. We dash make the first movie. Prohibition.
Must not. Must not.
Sorry, must not move. Not. We must not move. Yes. We must not make the first move. Okay, correct. It is snowing outside, so it's an intention.
Ma'am, we could stay at home.
So I no intention. Intention is I could.
Should. Ma'am, should. I should.
Any other answer?
Ma'am,
Could.
I could no. No.
Ma'am, should.
I for intention.
Ma'am, shall.
You can open the last that flow chart which is drawn on page number 93. Okay, so there if you can see over there, so you will be able to get the answers. There is a flow chart drawn on page number 93 of your grammar book. Okay, so uh, yes, should is the correct answer. I should stay at home. Okay, intention, it shows the intention. Okay, I promise I dash get you a shawl from Kashmir. I will. Okay, correct. Permission. Dash you mind if I borrowed your car. Next one. Permission. Permission, dare. No.
Not me.
हाँ. Permission may or
Mom, good. Mom, can you?
no. Can you mind if I borrowed your car? Does it?
Mom, good.
Not good.
Mom, good.
It should be would you mind? Would you mind? Okay. Would you mind if I borrow your car? Clear? Done? It's a polite request. Okay, permission or a polite request. Okay, so next one,
Not good.
again a polite request. So take care of my dog for a day.
Not good.
I'm good.
Could you take care?
Would you take?
Would, sorry, it's not good. Yes, would you take care? Would you take care of my dog for a day? Correct. Our country dash become a superpower by 25. Possibility. May become. And weak possibility, she dash sell her home because she needs money. Weaker possibility is, come on, correct, might, correct, clear. Weak possibility is might. Okay, this much clear. Okay, and in case you need to watch the video, I have already shared the link. 7th B can go and watch the link. I will be sending it to your class teacher. Okay, so the link I'll be sending to your class teacher. Please ask her to send the link and then you can watch the video over there. Okay, is that clear? Okay. So,
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. There are more model verbs that we have done a day before. This we have done. Okay, 7th B, I will be sharing these two PDFs also with your class teacher, so you can have it, solve it on your own. Okay, and along with the my YouTube channel. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. So now, one thing I am going to give it to you right now is a question, practice question. Okay. That you all have to do it in your copy.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Based on modal verbs again. Okay. Are you all ready for it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So I am writing it on the whiteboard and I will share it in the group. And 7B, don't worry, I'll be sending it to you separately. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
whiteboard is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so okay, then
Yes, ma'am.
start doing it and write along with me. So this is a revision exercise. मॉडल वर्ब्स
कॉपी में करना है.
हाँ बेटा कॉपी में करना है ठीक है एंड डेट इज टुडे 1/22 okay so I'm writing it you have to fill in the blanks with ought to must may everyone has given the attendance in the message box if those who have not given please give it okay can
Yes, ma'am.
or could those who have not given please give it so that I get to know that whether you have attended the class or not okay so the first one is ma'am I go to the accounts office to pay my fees. Okay. Second one is you dash mention the details of your class at the back of your check carefully. Getting it? You dash
Yes,
Yes,
go and play after you complete your
ma'am can.
grammar assignment. Fine. Mother dash you bake a cake you okay clear everyone
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yes,
okay
ma'am.
so this is your assignment revision exercise five questions are there which I'm going to share in the group and again 70 I'll be sending it to your class teacher please ask her to forward it to you okay these are all exercises that you have to practice before exams okay so don't forget to practice it and if in case you have any trouble any doubt you can ask me or your class teacher okay so this exercise I have sent in class 7
Okay, ma'am.
to class 7th A and 7B. I'll be sending it to your class teacher. Fine. Okay, any problem, any doubt in any of the modal verbs?
No, ma'am.
Okay. I want to ask one more thing. Um, any problem in this chart or flow chart which is drawn in front of you?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Understood each and everything?
Ma'am.
All the expressions are clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
All the modal
Yes,
verbs
ma'am.
are clear?
No doubt, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can we, but very quickly I'm revising all the things and then pay attention to each and everything. Okay, so can indicates the ability to do something. Okay, could indicates the possibility that can be done in the past, that has been done in the past. Anything which is in. Please mute your audios. Mute your audios. Please mute your audios. Pranay. Okay, so could suggest the ability in the past. Be able to is more than can, which is possible more than can. Okay, okay. I, for example, I can swim. Okay, okay. But here, if I have to show more possibility, more something more,
Okay, ma'am.
something more for than can, then I can say, I'll say I am able to, I am able to swim without life saving jacket. Getting it? So this kind, showing some kind of a different skill or ability. Okay, different
Yes,
ability or more capable than can. Okay, clear this much?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and could
Okay,
shows the ability in the past. ठीक है? Should, I told you, is strong obligation. Must is stronger obligation and stronger obligation, and ought to is the strongest. सबसे ज़्यादा जो strongest है वो ought to है. That means it becomes a moral duty. ये moral duty बन जाती है. ठीक है? Must is a desire, okay, or obligation or compulsion. It shows the compulsion, basically the compulsion, something which is compulsory. Okay, and this shows the suggestion or advice. Should is a suggestion or advice. People might follow it, might not follow it. Okay, must, people should follow it. Okay, it should be followed, but sometimes it is not being followed, sometimes not being followed. But this is, has to be followed at all cost. There should be no cross or no, an action should be taken. Okay, whatever the action, wherever we are using ought to, that means it has to be performed, it should be performed. For example, um, we should, we ought to, we ought to respect our national anthem, है ना? अब इस, ये हमारी moral duty है. This is our moral duty. One cannot say no, I will not, isn't it? Getting me, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then may is used for various purposes. We know that may is used for asking the permission, may is used for showing the possibility, and may is also used for wishing someone, like may God bless you. Okay, so may is, may can be used for wishing someone, Yes, may can be asked for seeking permission. May shows the indicates some possibilities as well. Okay, so here it is for seeking permission. May I, and may is politer than can. Okay, may is politer than can. That is why can has to be used in informally. Okay, can has to be used informally, whereas may has to be used in a formal way. Getting it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this much clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, could is for more politer, is could is more politer than may. Okay, for if we have to really add please to it, or in a begging way. Okay, if we are begging someone eagerly, we want that thing to be done in a very urgent way. Okay, we are very much begging for it, then we use could you please give me a glass of water, could you please give me something to eat. So could we use for it could is much politer than may. Okay, may is also for seeking permission, but could is much more politer than may. Okay, clear? Okay, then comes may. As I told you, here it is might, it shows the possibility, but in might indicates the weaker possibility. Might is for weaker possibility. If I say it may rain, then the possibility of raining is very strong. Okay, but if I say it might rain, both sentences are correct, but might here is, it shows that the raining possibility is very weak, it might not rain. Okay, so for stronger possibility we use may, for weaker possibility we use might. Clear this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then again can shows the occasional possibility. Okay, you can come with me. So if it is occasional, you can come with me, or if you don't want to come, it's okay. So occasional possibility. Could here is used for weak possibility. Okay, so she could come to my home tomorrow, so it might be coming or might not be coming, depends. Okay, so it again shows a weak possibility. Okay, then must not is indicates that something should be done because it is a rule. Okay, and rule sometimes people follow, sometimes not. Must not, sometimes not to be followed. For example, uh, children must not talk in the class, but still they talk sometimes. Okay, it is being told to them, so they sometimes they follow the rules, sometimes not. Sometimes they really listen to the teachers, sometimes not. So it is must not. But no, ought not to, children ought not to fight or argue in the school. Okay, so it becomes the duty of all the students that they ought not to fight and argue in the school. There should be no argument. The students ought not to argue with the elders or the seniors or the teachers, or fight with their peer group. So this becomes their moral duty. Okay, it is utmost to be taken care of. Okay, so this is the difference between prohibition. It shows
Okay,
the
ma'am.
it expresses the prohibition. So this shows the indicates the duty. Okay, then coming the request. Request, in the requesting form we can use would, won't I already told you, it's a won't is a contraction. Okay, all the words that are contracted, that are squeezed or shortened, okay, they are called contractions. So won't is a contraction. Won't, please mute your audios. Who's talking? Don't disturb the class, please. Khushi, Khushi, Khushbu, Khushbu, please mute your audio. Khushbu, please mute your audio. Children like that, you disturb the class. Please take care of your mic so that when the teacher is teaching, none of you should be making any kind of a noise. Please keep that in mind. Okay, so won't is a contraction, and for just like don't, it's a contraction of do not. It's a contracted word, है ना? So won't क्या है, किस चीज़ का है?
Yes, ma'am.
Won't is a contracted
not.
form of will not.
Yes,
Won't,
ma'am, will not.
will not. So won't is a contracted form of will not. So any word which has made short, okay, they are known as contraction. ठीक है? तो won't is a contraction of will not. So clear, can is to make informal request. When you have, can you please come with me? Can you please hold this glass? It's an informal request, okay? But could is politer than can. Okay, it used to make polite request. So could you please come to my place in this evening? Could you please help me completing my assignment? Okay, so it is much more politer than can. Okay, so I hope this table is one more time clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in case if there is any problem in any of these modal verbs, please do ask me so that I'll explain it to you again. Okay, and I hope I made all the things clear, and the work that I have given has to be done in the grammar notebook, and very shortly I am sending you the task, children of 7B. Please do it in your grammar notebook, okay, and show it to your English teacher. Who teaches English in 7B? Prerna ma'am. Okay, so just tell her that ma'am has told us to do this thing, and we will be doing it. Okay, and if in case you have any problem in any of the modal verb, you are going to ask. Fine? Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Any
Yes,
problem?
ma'am.
Anything that you need to ask?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything? Any doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, everyone
No,
has
ma'am.
given the attendance here in the message box.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay then, right.